The Zacks rank, value, momentum, growth, and income all factor into Zacks rank buys.
Aerospace and defense companies are topping the list of aggressive growth stock picks, hand-picked by our aggressive growth strategist, Brian Bolin, who's here now to talk about, first of all, Boeing,
Boeing,
of all.
right? And,
well, both of these are taking off.
Both of them, yeah, they're soaring, Terry.
Yes, they are.
Soaring. Liftoff for Boeing. I believe that they had earnings just the other night here, so it is. What day is it? I think
today's February 1st.
Today's February 1st. I think they had earnings on January 31st.
Okay, that was yesterday.
That was yesterday. Thank you, Terry. You're always good with the dates with me for that.
Hey, I catch on quick.
That's right. All right, so Boeing, Zacks ranked #1, an A for growth, as all of our aggressive growth stocks have, but it has that divergence that I like to see, an F for value.
Finally, you picked one with divergence.
With a good divergence too there for Boeing.
Yeah.
We can see here that the agreement is in place here. We just have positive earnings estimate revisions. And on the last 7 days, just prior to earnings, the analysts didn't really think that it was going to blow it away the way that it did, but they did. You know, Boeing had earnings of $3.06 when $2.88 was the Wall Street estimate. I think, we were looking at I think this is for the next quarter though. This number, this 275 for next quarter, and that's very likely to move higher. And then guidance for the year was increased. I see that the company for the Wall Street number is $13.80 to $14. It's in that range. So look for, I believe, this number to move up. Maybe it's this number, right? It's tough to know.
It's your stories. I'm not getting involved.
Right. And I think we had some big price targets increases too. So here we see our list of analysts who have recently moved estimates. But, Credit Suisse comes in with a $443 price target. If we look at the stock here and just the chart, I think we were saying that this was the election right about here. And at first it was a little downtick, but then nothing but a vertical ride higher here for Boeing, really taking off, as Terry would say. Soaring was yours, or lift off?
No, that was yours.
Soaring was mine. Either way.
I'm sure the State of the Union address didn't hurt these stocks.
Yeah, and I think the idea here with both of these names is that bigger is better in the world of Donald Trump. The small cap stocks, smaller names haven't really participated. When we see stocks like these, even Apple and these other big tech names,
right.
The bigger the better. Is kind of what we've been seeing so far, or, year one of this administration. Nothing to tell you that year two is going to be anything different.
Well, that said, let's talk about Lockheed Martin.
Right, let's keep it on focus here, right, Terry? We got places to go. Lockheed Martin is the Zacks rank #1, an A for growth, a D for value. So a little bit of divergence, not the big way that I like to see it. Again, there is that one guy that moved it down here, but for the most part, the agreement of the analysts all moving up. Numbers moving up, as we can see here for both this year and for next, coming off of a nice little beat. I see that Cowen and Company has raised their price target to $370 from $322, and Stiefel is at $400. Again, Lockheed Martin here, the defense contractor, just moving up, just consistently moving up. But when you have a chart like that, it lulls you to sleep. But this is the type of name that should stick on your portfolio here, these big industrial names. So, stocks like Boeing, stocks like Lockheed Martin. While we don't necessarily think of these names as aggressive growth because of their size, they should still find a way to your portfolio for that.
And speaking of portfolio, do you own them?
I do not own either one of these.
Okay, so they're not in your portfolio.
They're not in my portfolio. I'm not smart enough to follow my own advice.
Thanks for that, I think. If you want more detailed information on these companies and others, all you need to do is get over to Zacks.com. That's the homepage of our website. And you'll uncover just a wealth of information on the website. With Brian, I'm Terry Ruffalo.